What's up, everybody? It's your main man, Lakeith right here in the place to be. So I'm at a rehab property that I'm actually getting ready to close on tomorrow, and I just felt the need to do a video about kitchen appliances. Why I buy kitchen appliances, where I buy kitchen appliances from, when is a good time to buy them. So why I buy appliances, just to get right into it. I buy it because I can upsell them. I'll just be honest with you. If you're an investor, you're trying to get the most bang for your buck, you can upsell it. Usually I pay about between $2,000 and $3,000 for a kitchen bundle, for a 4-piece bundle. And I go through the 4 pieces that I buy, what I paid for these pieces that are behind me in this kitchen right now, and what it is that I'm gonna make a profit off of, how much the profit I'm gonna make off each item. Well, not really each item, but the overall sell of the house. Because you got to think about it. You're selling this to a person. If you're a person and you're buying a house, this is a big purchase for you. Do you really want to buy an old refrigerator, old dishwasher? That's a hassle. So what I believe is the least amount of hassles that you can have the end purchaser make, you get it done for a cheaper price and then in return upsell it. So I'll go over what I mean when I say that. This particular bundle that I have right here today is a Samsung bundle. I got the refrigerator, I got the microwave, I got the range with the oven, and I got a dishwasher. All in all, I want to say I paid about $2,800 for it. But if I think about it as an itemized line on my budget sheet or on what it is that I'm selling the house for, the house is selling for $330. So if I was to sell this house without appliances, I'd probably sell it for, they'd probably talk me down to $320, you know, and you wouldn't really have a leg to stand on because they right, you don't have appliances in the property. So that's more work that they have to do. And usually if someone else does the work, they want more money. So that's the nature of the beast. So you kind of got to think ahead of the game before you get behind the 8-ball. So real quick, let's look at what we got and what I paid for it. So I got this refrigerator, nice, right? Ice maker. Outside, you want cubed, you want crushed, you want some water, I got it all. Don't even open from there. It wouldn't make sense, right? Open it up, boom, ice baby. Doom, 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 doom. Vanilla ice baby. So this is one of the bundles, and it was Samsung, and I bought it from Home Depot, Samsung appliance. So, you know, people like those name brands. It's better than something white, and it's stainless steel. So you got to think about it. I can see myself. I got the range with the oven. Check it out. Again, where is it at? The brand on it. All Samsung. Nice, new, looks clean. And then the dishwasher. Samsung. And I also want to point out, they also delivered the appliances too. My people that were here just installed them, but this is all Samsung appliances from here it is right here, Samsung. So you know what it is, but at the end of the day, for me, it's just a lot easier. So think about it like this. I paid $2,800. $2,800 for all 4 pieces. Let's just call it $3,000. At $3,000 for all 4 of these pieces, I'm gonna tack on an extra $3,000, $4,000 on the sale price just because. You gotta think about that. The person's not paying for that, they're financing that in with their loan. So the more you can give somebody, the more value you can bring to the situation. You just charge for that. So it makes sense when you think about it. Wow, you need a washer, you need a dryer, I got you. You need a vacuum, they going for $1,000. You know what I mean? So you gotta think like, okay, I get you whatever you need because I know at the end of the day, you're gonna pay me what I want. So it's just a trade-off of services, and that's how you really gotta look at the situation and say, well, what if the shoe was on the other foot? How easy would I want it? I wanna be hands off. I wanna move right in. I don't even wanna touch my furniture. I want somebody else to set it up. And I wanna move in, I wanna sip some drink, I wanna cook some food and watch some TV. Do whatever it is you do. But at the end of the day, the easier you can make it on a person, as a new investor, as anybody, you know what I mean, the more value that you bring to the situation and the more you can charge for it. I know it sounds common sense, but a lot of people don't necessarily know where to go. So I used to go to Sears, but they closed. So it got real difficult to get the appliances from Sears. So I started looking other places, and I started looking at Lowe's and Home Depot. And I will tell you this, the best time to purchase these products is usually around the holiday season. It could be Christmas, it could be Thanksgiving, it could be President's Day, Labor Day, Easter, Memorial Day, Martin Luther King Day, Valentine's Day. They always got something going on where they got 20, 30% off of appliances, and take advantage of it. And just in case you didn't know, they have like a layaway set up where you can pay on the situation. So I think you can go in and like pay on an appliance when it's on sale and retain that price, even though you don't need it right at that moment. You can get it once your project is complete, and then have it all delivered when you need it delivered. Once you get your laminate wood in, you get your flooring, whenever you feel like you need your appliances. But I will tell you this, Lowe's and Home Depot have all done me right on appliances for a good price, and I just upsell them to the customer. So if they've done me right, I feel like they'll do you right. And look at the stuff. It's cool, right? It's like, it don't have no screens on it, but they got that. But again, it all depends on the price point of your investment product, of what you're selling, how nice of appliances that you want to go. But that's just good information from me, Lakeith. Lakeith buys houses and land. Thank you for listening. Thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I appreciate it. I'll keep coming with more videos, with more information to give you more knowledge, to get you further ahead and be the best you can be. Thank you, Lakeith. See you later. Bye.